Headbands with ears are one of my favorite accessories to wear, and they make any hairstyle way cuter. All you need is any kind of plastic headband and a pair of fluffy pom-poms. Apply some hot glue on the pom-pom like this. Now stick that ball of fluff on one side of the headband. I got these pretty hot pink pom-poms as a part of a keychain for less than $1. I love the color and the size is just perfect for this DIY project. I love the way this ear headband turned out, and I will wear it all the time, guaranteed. Make it for yourself or your bestie, this is a perfect gift idea as well.
Okay, maybe it's not that bad. Maybe it's not that bad.
Epic fail at the hairdressers. We've probably all been there before, right? If you want to give your hair some funky color transformation but aren't sure how it will look on you, a great idea is to dye it temporarily first. And guess what? To do that, you can use your regular eyeshadows. I know it's hard to believe that you can dye your hair with eyeshadows, but trust me, they work like a dream. Grab an eyeshadow of your choice. I went for blue because, you know, it's my favorite color. Take a hair strand, press the eyeshadow against it like this, and start moving down towards the hair tips. Look at this color payoff! Isn't it completely mind-blowing? Let's try it with purple as well. Grab a strand and press the purple shadow towards it. Pull the eyeshadow down and check this out. Wash-off hairsprays are super expensive and hair chalk is quite hard to find. But we all have eyeshadows at home already and they're so affordable. This life hack is perfect for parties, festivals, carnivals, Halloween, or just every day. When you wash your hair, the color will get right off. It's great if you want to switch up the color of your hair but are not sure which shade will look the best on you. And no worries, this totally works on darker hair too. Just make sure to use very pigmented eyeshadows. Go grab some eyeshadows and let the fun begin. Here's how you can transform an inexpensive plain hairpin in a stunning hair clip using little pom-poms. I'm starting off with a green one. First you want to cut away a small part of the pom-pom to make it flat on one side. We're doing this so that it will stick easily and more securely to the clip. Apply some glue of your choice and place it on the pin. Add more pom-poms and you can stick with only one color or go a little bit crazy like me. I like to use it to clip my hair at the back of my head. This is perfect for school or work because it keeps my hair off the face, plus it gives a gorgeous pop of color. What a great hack when you're in a hurry and you need a cute hairstyle in a minute. Some hair elastics can be harsh, pulling and breaking your hair. An amazing life hack is to make your own hair elastic from an old nylon sock. Cut the top edge of the sock and you have the softest and most gentle elastic that your hair will love. Finally, I'm ready to do some cycling. First, let's make this cute wired headband. We're gonna need some fabric, wire, pliers, scissors, and a glue gun. Start by cutting 30 inches long and 6 inches wide piece of fabric. I'm just using this body that I got on sale for a couple of dollars. I loved the fabric, so I took the large one and now I can make a bunch of DIYs out of it. Apply the glue along the longer side of your rectangle and fold the edge inside. This way you'll get beautiful clean edges without sewing. Once that's done, fold the fabric like so and cut the shorter sides diagonally. Unfold the fabric and make the neat edge on the sides as well. Time to take a wire and cut a piece of the same length as your fabric. Curl the ends with the pliers to get rid of that sharp edge. All we gotta do now is apply some glue along one half of our fabric, place on the wire and fold the fabric like that. Wait for a few minutes so that the glue dries completely and we're ready to rock this gorgeous wired headband. Here I decided for a simple hairstyle with my hair down. But this headband looks so cute with ponytails, half updos, messy buns, it just makes any hairstyle 100 times more fun and cute. And when you're late for school, you can just grab it and you're out the door. With this awesome headband, you can make a great hairstyle on your way to school or even when you arrive, because it just takes a second. I love those plastic swirly elastics, but they stretch out way too quickly and my ponytail ends up looking like this. Luckily, here's a great hack to make the elastic look as new again. Simply put it in a bowl filled with warm water. You can see the elastic getting its shape back. It's like a magic trick, so cool! There we go, my elastic looks just as new and I'm super happy about it. Plastic headbands are so easy to wear. Here I'll show you how to make this beautiful threaded one. We're gonna need a plastic band, embroidery floss, scissors, paintbrush and some glue. Apply your glue on a 2-inch section of your headband. Take your thread and start wrapping it around the band. Make sure the loops are close together so you can't really see the headband under. For a neat look, stick the thread ends on the bottom part like so. Apply the glue on the section next to it and start wrapping another color of thread. You can also use thicker thread or yarn. You'll finish quicker, but the headband will look just as pretty as this one, I promise. Here I'm working on my third color, which is this beautiful emerald green. You can make your headband using just one color of thread, or you can go a bit crazy like me. I don't really have much pattern clothes in my closet, so this will add a nice fun touch to my solid outfits. Continue wrapping your thread around the band until it is completely covered. Stick the thread ends on the bottom and we are all finished with this pretty headband. I like to wear mine with all the hair pulled back. This gives you so much volume and looks kind of retro, which I love. To add an even more relaxed and fun touch to the hair, I'm also taking a small section of hair from behind my ears and I'm making a little braid. Secure with a clear elastic and make the same on the other side. How happy and relaxed is this hairstyle, right? I love it! Oh, and anyone noticed my DIY shirt? I love that one too, I've been wearing it loads. This headband looks great with half updos as well. Did you know that you can make a cool headband using a nylon sock? This one is so simple. Grab an over-knee or at least knee-high sock and tie the ends together using a simple double knot. Voila! This literally takes 5 seconds. And the best part is that when you don't need the headband anymore, you can still use the nylon sock as a sock. Such a handy and convenient hair and clothing hack. While I'm washing my hair, let me share with you the most important hair hacks. Apply your shampoo only on your scalp, because this is where the hair gets oily and needs a proper cleanse. From your ears down, apply the conditioner to hydrate your hair. Rinse with a bit colder water to diminish frizz and to make your hair look shiny and pretty. When it comes to drying your hair, try to use a cotton t-shirt instead of a towel. It works wonders in diminishing the frizz. Most of the days I let my hair dry naturally, but when using the hair dryer, always put it on the cold air setting. A great tip for getting more volume is to flip your head upside down when blow drying. This gives you so much volume, it's crazy. Normally I have my part on the right side and my hair looks quite flat that way. For the days when I want extra volume, I make my part on the left and boom, tons of volume. Sometimes I like to pin my hair to keep it off my face, but I don't have any pretty pins. No problem, because here's a super easy DIY that will make all your bobby pins look amazing. All you need are some plain hair pins and nail polish. You know how pretty bobby pins are so much more expensive than the plain ones? Now you can buy them for cheap and then customize them to your liking. If you want to make dotted bobby pins, simply dip a toothpick or dotting tool into the polish and make dots all along the pin. Now tell me if this isn't the best DIY you've ever seen. So useful and done in seconds. I got kind of obsessed and made a bunch of this. Try using metallic and glitter polish too. Your bobby pins will look amazeballs. Next, let's make this beautiful braided headband. You will need 3 different colors of fabric, scissors and a hair tie. For the fabric, I'm going to recycle 3 old shirts. Cut about 15-inch long and 1 to 2-inch wide piece of fabric. Note that the wider the strips, the thicker the headband you'll get. Cut the same pieces from the other 2 shirts. For my headband, I chose pink, yellow and minty green. I think these are my favorite colors at the moment. I love how you can make these headbands using different patterns and materials to match your outfits. Give the strips a nice tuck to get rid of that freshly cut look. Take a hair elastic and tie your fabric strands on by making a simple knot. Now it's time to start braiding, and I like to place a heavy object on one end to keep my work in place. Anyone remember this candle from my DIY room decor? I love it so much, I don't even want to burn it. Okay, once your braid is finished, all you have to do is tie the loose ends to the elastic. Make the knots close together. And here it is, our beautiful braided headband. Here's an idea on how you can rock it. Take the hair at the crown and temporarily secure it on the top of your head. Place on a headband. Take the front section of your hair and tuck it under the headband like this. And do this on both sides. Let the hair at the crown fall down and you have an adorable hairstyle for school. You can also use this one in a gym with a braid or a ponytail. I love the cute little detail this headband adds to the otherwise plain hairstyle. And what's great is that it keeps your bangs out of your face, which is always helpful for school. Next, I'm gonna show you how to make your own flower hair clip. All you need is some glue, a flower, a clip, and 30 seconds of your time. This one is very straightforward. We just need to attach the flower onto the clip. Apply some glue on the back of the flower and place on a hair clip. Leave to dry and voila, a beautiful hair accessory that transforms any hairstyle into a pretty and romantic masterpiece. I like to make a deep side parting and clip it on the side where I have less hair. You can then just leave your hair down like me or make a braid, a side pony, whatever you do, I bet you will look amazing.